my Shenron collection from Dragon Ball series. So they are complete. Let's start with the OG Shenron. The next one is Poronga Dynamic Shenron. And the next one is the Golden Shenron. This is from the power of Goku, a Super Punch, the Dragon Punch. And the next one is from Dragon Ball GT, Black Star Shenron. And the next one is also from Dragon Ball GT, Black Smoke Shenron. And now we go here to the Demon World Shenron from Dragon Ball Daima. And the next one is from Dragon Ball Super, the strongest Shenron, Super Shenron. And we go here. So this is from Super Dragon Ball Heroes, Dark Shenron. And now, last but not the least, from Dragon Ball Super, the Cerulean Shenron, Toronbo, from the Granola series. So that's it for my Shenron collection. Hope you enjoy watching my videos. Thank you.